Get the chicken, but not today. Let's start up the Lambo. Head out. They're usually super. Usually open by this time. I don't know what's going on. Maybe on Saturdays they open more late. But usually when I come Sundays. Maybe that's why. I don't know. I guess we'll see. My bad, that's a signal. Let's see what's over here in front of me. Every time I put the signal, this bike makes a noise. About to let go of the accelerator because right here is all downhill. You know, a lot of things whenever you live here, you know, you basically live like in the mountains. So if you're going somewhere, it's either uphill or downhill. You know, like 80% of the time, everything here is uphill or downhill. You know. There's the river where we always get. We always get water we always get water to wash or to wash the dishes. See right there, I went downhill and now I'm going uphill. Uphill, about to turn right here. Almost there. I wonder if they're done with the motorbike. Bad news. Alright, I'm home. Bad news. Those stalls were closed, so this one was 20 pesos. Yeah. All of them were closed. Only one was open. This is lumpia. There's no fish.